So you have done your English work which I gave you in my last video. Good. Now take out your maths copy. Do all of you have your maths copy with you, right? Yeah, this is your maths copy. Okay, I checked your check the assignments which I gave you last time. Now we're going to do something in the copy. Do you remember the video I did about ones and tens? Yes? Yes. We learned about what are called ones and what is 110. So today we are going to do an assignment based on ones and tens. So children, take out your maths copy. This is a 4-line copy here. All of you have it ready with you. Okay. On the left side of the page, first write down the date. What is the date today? Today is 29/5/2020. Okay, can you see that? Write it on your copy. And on the top most side, you have to write the topic जो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. That is ones. ONES ones and tens. Write it down. Ones and tens. Okay. Now I'm going to show how we can present ones and tens with pictures. Okay, till 10. And in my next class I'm going to do grouping in tens and writing the numbers. But today we are just writing the numbers. Okay. Say if I have, what do you mean by one? Ones. One ones means you have only one thing with you. One ones. Let's say I have one flower. One ones is equal to one flower. Can you draw it? Yes, one ones is equal to one flower. Okay, then I'll write two ones. Two ones is equal to two flowers. Can you draw flowers? Yes, two ones means two flowers. It can be anything. If you like ice cream, you can draw ice cream. If you like pencil, you can write pencil. If you like ball, you can write ball. But today I'm drawing a flower. Then again, three ones. Three ones means how much? How many flowers? Good. 3 flowers. Then again we go to 4 ones. Again it's very easy. 4 ones means 4 flowers. 3, 4. 1 flower, 2 flower, 3 flower, 4 flower. 4 ones, 4 flower. These are loose. When you have things loose, you have to call them as ones. Then again we have 5 ones. 5 ones means Right. 5 flowers. 1 flower, 2 flower, 3 flower, 4 flower, and 5 flower. Can you see that? Very good. Now in the next page we'll go with 5 ones because it's taking a lot of place here. Then we, so that the page looks neat, साफ सुथरा लगने के लिए सारे को हमने एक ही पेज में नहीं लिखना है, आपको नेक्स्ट पेज में लिखना है 6 ones. So can you do you know 6 ones means how many flowers? Good. 6 flowers. 1 flower, 2 flower, 3 flower, 4 flower, 5 flower, and 6 flower. So 6 flowers. 6 ones, 6 flowers. Now 7 ones. Again we have to draw 7 flowers here. 1 flower, 2 flower, 3 flower, 4 flower, 5 flower, 6 flower, and 7 flower. Now 8 ones. 8 ones means 8 flowers. Since we don't have much space, so we'll write in 2 lines. 1 flower, 2 flower, 3, 4, 5 flowers, 6 flowers, 7 flowers, 8 flowers. So 8 ones, 8 flowers. Then comes 9 ones. Once again I'm going to draw 9 flowers. Three, 4 flowers, 5 flowers, 6 flowers, 7 flowers, 8 flowers, 9 flowers. So how many flowers we have? 9 flowers. Can you see that? Yes. Then comes 10 ones. 10 ones. 1 flower, 2 flower, 3 flower, 4 flower, 5 flower, 6 flower, 7 flower, 8, 9, and 10 flowers. So all of you drew it? Very good. Okay, children, do you remember what I told you in my last video? That when we count anything in loose manner till 9, we call it ones. But when we group them in one bunch of 10 things, they become a group of the things. Say here we have 10 flowers. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I tied them in one group and made a bunch of flowers. This is a bunch of flowers. So a bunch of 10 flowers is equal to 1, 10. One bundle of 10 flowers. One bundle of 10 flowers. 1 tens. 1 tens. So are you clear? What is 1/10? So now you have to draw these flowers in your copy the way I drew. You have to draw it like this, starting from 1 ones to 10 ones. Then make them a group and write it like this. A bunch of 10 flowers is equal to 1/10. Right? Now take out your copy and pencil and do this assignment in a neat manner. Do not forget to color the flowers as well. Till then, bye bye.